Hello! This month I found a channel on YouTube, it's called Blipsounds, and I figured out that they are making contests each month. This month it was all about making game user interface sounds only with your mouth. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made those sounds, how I recorded them, how I processed them, show you my Logic project, and if you want to hear the final version, it's somewhere there. So without any further ado, let's go to the Logic. So this is the session, as you can see the video, audio from the video, and I have two buses. One called Doom is for those sounds and the second one called AC is for those sounds. So what do we have here? A couple of teeth bites, whistles, growls for Doom. So basically what this sound is, and as you can see I will switch off all the plugins and show you the original. So it is teeth bite like, but as you can see we have a speed up here and the transpose is on -16. We've got sound like this. Then I've added an overdrive to the lows, and on the bass I have a compressor, one space designer, some kind of texture, I don't remember which one, and the second space designer is making another texture, and it is applied to all of my sounds on the bass. So we have the basics, then we have a mouth click. What is mouth click? Mouth click is a mouth click. And with all of the bass effects, it's like, here we have a whistle which also is transposed on -24, and this one looks like this. So here we have a beat crusher, just to destroy it, automation on pitch going down, and the auto filter just to get some resonance. Yeah, and with the bass effects, something like this. Here we have the same sounds, and now is another whistle, but it is transposed -34, so a lot. Then we've got the same, the beat crusher, pitch automation going up, the same auto filter, and a flanger. I didn't have any particular idea, just played with those effects to get something that fits my vision, and I guess it is what I wanted. And with the bass effects. Last thing, growls. Yeah, so the growls are something like this. I don't know if it's a growl, it's more like singing. Auto filter, flanger. I wanted these sounds to be like the appearing of this object here. And the second sound, yeah, I don't know what I named it like this, whatever. Maybe it's supposed to be growl, but I've changed my mind then. So, bit crusher again, and a flanger. So this is like the transient for boom, like we have this now, boom. And together, yeah, kind of works for me. So the basics of my vision for the Doom sounds was to destroy those sounds. So this is why I have a lot of bit crusher and flangers and filters, overdrives and those space designers with textures, just to make it very, very unreal. And yeah, I think it worked. But for the second one, I wanted to be more organic. You can see here that there are not as much effects as on the Doom. So basically, what do we have here? Some whistles, some air sucking, playing with mouth, just clicks, and those are transposed up. This one is transposed down. So you can see just basic processing, not a lot. Yeah, here we have just another natural sound. Again, it's kind of boring, but it worked for me. So, here we have a stamp sound. Yeah, there is the first with some effects on. It's Enigma from Waves. I took this preset and changed it a little bit. So without Enigma, it's like, and with Enigma, it's like. Enigma is cool. Even if you don't really know what's happening, it's cool. It's cool to have fun with Enigma and play with it. You can get a lot of different sounds. This is the sound for running animal, with phaser and tremolo and with transpositions. So it's just, and with phasers, transpositions and tremolo, it's something like this. Here we have, yeah, this is the sound. It is transposed up with 12. Nothing more here, as you can see. And this one is with mono mode. Yeah, it's transposed up by 9. So I did like pow wow wow, transposed up, and then added this one for the flag to make it more cartoonish, you know. And then we have also transpositions. And for all those sounds here, I have a compressor and space designer. This one is a stairs, so listen. But it is just basic reverb, not really adding any texture, just adding some tail. So this is it. This is how I made it. I had a lot of fun with it, playing with my mouth. And, you know, this is a good example to show you, because you can do outer space or outer world sounds like this for Doom, and more natural and organic, playing only with transpositions and few, just like 4 effects, to keep it organic, keep it natural and sounding really, really nice. And I think all of those challenges or contests like those from Blipsounds are good for us, because we are not only practicing our skills, but we can see other guys' visions. Anyway, I encourage you to look at the Blipsounds channel and take a part in the next contests, because I had a lot of fun with it. Not only from using only my mouth, but looking at other guys' submissions on Twitter. I found a lot of good stuff there. So if you're looking for any inspirations, I guess this is a good choice. I am thinking that I am going to take part of any upcoming challenge from Blipsounds, and you will be able to see the mix deconstructions every time when I take part of this challenge here on my channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, just do it now. Hit the like if you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.